This Chigozie will come for social media say make the killing and the Kalu. Hey, I have nothing to tell you. They say akunefe n'elu. Ọ na-efe n'elu na-efe n'elu. Che na ọma ndarịrị n'ala. Ada agwa ochi ntị na agha esukwana o.
My fellow Biafrans, it don't set again. No. This our brother, this our Biafra Liberation Army commander that people are seeing on my screen.
Ada agwa ochi ntị
just sent a serious warning to that foolish man, Chigozie.
He just wake up one morning, just come out for social media say,
was insulting
this is what all Igbo wants, Igbo men want. Now thunder go fire your that your Igbo want. Now your papa be the odd Igbo man, your family.
And kill him. So this our Biafra,
now all your family be that all Igbo man wanted.
Sent a serious warning to him, telling the community where he.
I know so now you do for that mask.
If they
will go testify for Nandi for court.
Chigozie,
I know so now you do for that mask.
Will be on fire. So just
God don't
follow
expose you
page
people.
Careful and listen to what
God don't expose
the kind of
you
message he sent to him.
You just come out, get morale, get in mind,
and do not forget
say nothing they happen,
so
people
that
back
other
you.
Biafrans can be able to
say make the killing and the carry.
I don't know why Nigeria
government
and the Igbo politicians are using our own brothers to fight against us.
And I'm giving that community where Chigozie from come.
If
2
you
weeks.
are lovers of a Biafrans,
if they not provide Chigozie, heavy rain will fall in that community.
Right.
Greetings to you all the lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, wherever you may be. This Chigozie will come for social media say make the killing and the Kalu. Hey, I have nothing to tell you. They say akunefe n'elu. Ọ na-efe n'elu na-efe n'elu. Che na ọma ndarịrị n'ala. Ada agwa ochi ntị na agha esukwana o. Ada agwa ochi ntị na agha esugo. Chigozie, you just wake up one morning, just come out for social media say, this is what all Igbo wants, Igbo men want. Now thunder go fire your that your Igbo want. Now your papa be the odd Igbo man, your family. Now all your family be that all Igbo man wanted. I know so now you did for that mask. We go testify for Nandi for court. I know so now you did for that mask. God don't expose you people. God don't expose you people. You just come out, get morale, get in mind. Say nothing they happen. People back you. Say make the killing and the carry. She goes in a thunder and go kill you. And I'm giving that community where Chigozie from come 2 weeks. If they not provide Chigozie, heavy rain will fall in that community. Heavy rain will fall in that community. Wherever it may be, Chigozie, I will bring you out. I will find you out. Let me tell you, my name na see me no more. We dey our own, can't they find us? Just wake up one morning, say let them go and kill somebody with morale. In which country that one go fit exist? In which country did they do that kind of thing? Somebody will just wake up, say, oh, what all Igbo? Now thunder, no be Igbo. Now your papa. I am giving that community where it come from. And if I find that the community come from before 2 weeks, heavy rain will fall in that community. I don't care to know who it may concern. Chigozie, to find you out, to bring you out, it no cost me anything. I will fish you out and I will bring you out. Now see me no more, they talk. As you want to bring problem in the country, as you want bring problem, come out again. Say, make peace no day, make peace no rain. Now that peace where you say no day, now that peace is now will come your home. I don't have much to say. You hear me, ba? I don't have much to say. 2 weeks. May that community not bring Chigozie come outside. Where I come from. All hail Biafrans. God bless Biafrans. And God bless all the people that love Biafrans. We are going home. We could no panic. The people of Biafra, we are going home. But you see Anambra State, Udogachi, I never see anything. Rain go fall. As soon as say an innocent soul, una no one the key secretly, we dey see una. Na the key young boys, young youths that don't do anything to you people. Now we see person or killer, all those vigilantes, all those Udogachi. I tell una say una never see anything. You see all these souls, innocent soul una kill, una go pay one by one. If una like, una go tie dog for una neck. If una like, una go tie tortoise for una neck. If una like, una carry lion, tie am for una neck. Carry human head, tie am for una neck. Say nowadays she. Na human be doing for una. Na see human be go see spoiler. Those ones where they fall, say na they tie dog for their head. They tie charm for their body. Why the charm fail them? Now they deceive una self. You see, if una say Anambra no get peace, no get peace. And they talk this thing. Those wicked betrayers, saboteurs in the Igbo land, all of them no get peace. This Chigozie, you have wake me from sleep. And I need to tell you that if you no bring out yourself, if that your community no bring you come out for 92 weeks, a serious rain will fall for that community. Wherever I come from. And if I find out wherever I come from, something will tell. Not me will tell. Biafrans, we are not terrorists. We are not bandits. We are not wicked. We make peace to reign. And we make everything to move well and move good. All we are fighting for is our freedom. And Nnamdi Kanu will live long. I still keep saying it. Nothing will happen to him. Nnamdi Kanu will come out strong. I told you I say game will change. Game will change. Now little mistake, we dey wait for them. May they do. Everywhere go red.
Welcome back. Somebody type on the comment section, Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not die this death. Type on the comment section. Say Nnamdi Kanu will not die. That is the only thing I want from you. Nnamdi Kanu will not die. You see these Igbo animals, I call them animals because they are animals. They behave like animals. This one here is called Udele. Udele, animals that eat what is damaged. Udele. And this one is mischievous. When you say mischievous, money, it doesn't even have money. Nobody knows him. These are the people, you look at them as they are jam-packed here. All of them are Igbo people. But I categorize all of them as people who do not have thinking faculty. Somebody say, you don't have thinking faculty. Let me tell you, you think it's a joke. What these people have opened their mouth to say is not a joke. If they have the power, if God allowed them to have that power, to do what they have said with their mouth, church would have gone since. Listen, let me tell you, the Bible says that whatever that the mouth speaks comes from the innate of the heart. If you don't believe it, this one that is flying all over everywhere is flying without perching, looking for a debris, a dead thing that have soured he will eat. Said that he is going to unalive Nnamdi Kanu if the federal government of Nigeria releases him. That is what he said. I am holding him by his word. And this one, this animal you are seeing here, I'm not, no apology as an animal. He's an animal, a big animal. Because you don't know that what you are even saying is against the law. It's against the law. Saying that the only thing that will happen now is agitating for is how to unalive Nnamdi Kanu. And everybody, some are there, some of his cohorts are there clapping for him. You don't know that you are committing a crime against humanity. A man who have not committed a crime, who is even fighting for you and your business. Nobody knows this one. I know this one is chasing clown. That is why he came out so that his name and the people will know him. With him, only him is nothing. He's a nobody. He's a nobody. That is why he came out to talk this rubbish. From me, he is a nobody. These are the people that are causing what is happening in Igbo land. How can you wish your own brother death? Brother that is fighting for you. What is he fighting? Is he killing people in his houses? No. He's only saying, let us have good road. Let us have jobs for our youth. Let us have seaport in our place. We have it. It is due for us to have one. Everything about Nigeria is in Lagos. Imagine some time ago, I heard that they are building a place where a wharf in the north where there is no water, no river, no ocean, no lake. They are building naval base there where they will be shipping things and you go there and collect it. When your people are greatly marginalized, somebody is coming to speak for you. And you are talking bad about that person. You are like a Jerusalem who kills his prophets. Your place will remain desolated. You live in a desolated city. All of you, look at this, the other one called, what is his name? Those animals that are breathing from their anus. May God have mercy upon you. You people are the enemies of Biafra. Bear it in mind. I am not saying it, I'm not only saying it here. If they are not enemy of Biafra, look at the comment section. You will see that you are the enemy of Biafrans. Because you cannot fight your own people and go free. You are creating a problem for yourself. This Iken Guruago is in overseas talking. One good day, what happened in South Africa will happen in that country you are into, and you'll be forced to be repatriated here empty hand because you will not have the power. You will not have anything to travel to another country. You will come back home empty. Then let us know where you are going to stay and open this mouth. Your brother that is fighting for you and your village people. These are the people you are talking fuel about to let their lives be taken. I don't, you see, let me tell you, I don't blame you. But whosoever that use his mouth to talk himself into problem, be ready. Be ready. When your people comes, you will understand it by and by. That is all I can tell you. My name is Ambassador Singo Edwin, a prophet in disguise, the man from the east. If you think what I'm saying here is not good for you, I'm only telling you the truth my father have told me to tell you. If you think it's not true, you don't like it, you are bickering because I said Some of you are animals. You go and hit, carry your head, go and hit it on the wall. You are stupid. A stupid man is a man who do not know his boundaries, who do not know how to hold his mouth to speak on what will benefit him against him. That is it. That is all I can tell you for now. Take it or you leave it.